What is a positive security model? Hi everyone, I'm Ori and welcome to another Radware Minute. A positive security model is based on defining what traffic is allowed to pass through and rejecting the rest. It's also referred to as an allow list or whitelisting. It is the opposite of a negative security model that defines what is forbidden and accepts the rest. Advanced positive security model engines use machine learning and behavioral analysis algorithms. Positive security model provides protection where negative signature-based security simply cannot, mainly protecting against zero-day attacks, for which there are no signatures. To achieve maximum security with the lowest level of false positives, it is recommended to use WAF, DDoS, API, and bot protection solutions that leverage both negative and positive security models together. Thank you for joining me on this Radware Minute, and stay safe.